Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in our What You Know assignment. It is worth 60 points. Let's survey this assignment together. Let's start with this visual art. What does it mean? So we have the magnifying glass and then an X. And the magnifying glass is symbolic of analysis. Analyze something and then X marks the spot. There it is. What does all that mean? Let's find out. Okay, scrolling down, we have three links. We have the timeline, the requirements, and the discussion rubric. I will click on and read the timeline with you. I'm going to ask you to read the requirements and the discussion rubric on your own. Okay, so let's find out what that art means now by reading part 1, which is worth 50 points. Share something you know about writing, what you've discovered about what makes a work a good read. Write a minimum of 500 words, 2 pages. So that relates to our magnifying glass. To analyze what you know, and X marks the spot is your advice for us. So share what you know, okay? And then part 2, 10 points. After you have posted your response, respond to 2 peers' postings. Each posting should be a minimum of 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Okay, so really analyze what you know about writing and share your pearls of wisdom with us. Okay, I'm scrolling back up to that graphic image here. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. I love to hear from you. If something isn't clear, help me to make it clear. Okay, let's have a good week.